Hey YouTube, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. A big shout out to our Victorian cousins. Hope you guys are staying safe in the 4th stage of lockdowns. So today's video is going to be on a very important topic in personal finance, and that is about having multiple income streams. So most people only have the one income stream, and that is from our job. But today's video is going to show you a few other types of income streams because, as events have shown this year, it's never more important to have more than one income stream to fall back on. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, earned income. This is the most basic form of income, and it is where you earn income from a job. You receive a regular paycheck and the money comes into your account. Most people, myself included, have this form of income. Number 2 is interest income. This is income earned from lending money out. You're actually doing this without you realizing it when you're depositing your money in a bank. The bank pays you an interest, and then subsequently the bank uses your money to lend to other people at a high interest rate. But you can also earn interest on lending money out through peer-to-peer lending websites such as RateSetter or SocietyOne. You can earn some pretty decent returns on your cash. I think RateSetter is offering about 6% per annum, which is not too bad in this current environment. But of course, be aware of the risks, chiefly if that person that you lend money out to does not pay you back. Income stream number 3 is profit income. This is where you make a profit from buying a product. Let's say you go to a garage sale and you buy a branded pair of shoes for $50, and then you list it on Gumtree or eBay for $100. You sell it, that $50 profit is your income, profit income. Personally, I've been selling stuff online for a number of years now, ranges from old video games to scented candles. Income stream number 4 is dividend income. When a company makes a profit, they can either retain that money to reinvest it back into itself, or it can pay it out to its shareholders in the form of dividends. The big 4 banks in Australia, Telstra, BHP and Rio, are cornerstones of many retirees' portfolio, chiefly because of this concept in that they pay out decent levels of dividends to live off. For myself, I actually don't earn any cash dividends. All the dividends from my stocks are reinvested under a DRP, or what's known as a dividend reinvestment plan. This is where the dividends are used to buy more shares, to receive more dividends, to buy more shares, and so on and so forth. So the 5th income stream is rental income. This income is earned through rent from an investment property. They say over 30% of all housing in Australia is used for investment purposes, and there are over 2 million landlords in Australia. I am one of them. And this brings us to income stream number 6, which is capital gains. This is when the value of an asset appreciates over time and you sell to realize that profit. For example, let's say you buy 1,000 shares of ABC for $10 a share. The share price goes up to $20, which you sell. Then you have made $10 per share, or a capital gain of $10,000. So income stream number 7 is passive income. Passive income is income that you continue to earn after the work is done. A common way is if you refer someone to a product or service, that person buys that product or service, and you, as the referrer, receives an ongoing referral fee for as long as that person is committed. A way you could do this is via affiliate marketing through a blog. For every visitor you refer to an affiliate, that affiliate pays you accordingly. Or maybe think about becoming an Amazon affiliate. This is where you create a list of products that you believe in, link that list to your social media, and whoever buys from your link, you receive a commission. This is actually an area that I'm currently looking into because I buy a heap load of crap from Amazon. So watch this space. If you guys are interested, I'll do a video on the top 10 financial buyers on Amazon soon. And the last form of income stream number 8, is royalty income. So this is income you receive from others using your idea or work. For example, you could think about writing a book on Amazon or Kindle, and if each time it gets downloaded or bought, you receive royalties. Or you could be a talented musician and list a song on iTunes, and each time it gets downloaded, you also receive royalty income. In summary, guys, I just wanted to open our eyes to the fact that there are more than one stream of income from our jobs. It's important to not rely on that one stream of income because, like I said, it can very easily disappear and you've got nothing to fall back on. So how many streams of income do you have? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell, turn the notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.